Hello and welcome back. So in this week's video we have a custom order that I done for a lovely customer who only asked for a few things. She asked for antlers, flowers and some constellations, and she picked Pegasus and she picked Aquarius, which was her zodiac sign. So I was super excited to do this because it means I can be really creative in my ideas, and I absolutely love that. So this video is of her order. Thank you so much if you're watching. You are very, very appreciated in our business, and I loved making your hat. Also, for all you guys that watch, we appreciate you too, because if it wasn't for everybody ordering and everybody tuning in this channel, I wouldn't be doing what I am now. So thank you everyone, and here is the custom hat.